please share it to a first year B.Tech student. If you are a first year B.Tech student, you need to understand this in the first year itself, because most of the students, they are going to realize this at third year. That's why many of them, they are unable to attempt the placement exams. First, you need to understand the difference how B.Tech exams versus placement exams will be with a simple analogy. Let's try to understand this. This is how the B.Tech exam questions will be. Explain about sun. See, there is no logic here. You need a simple observation and memory. That's it, you can attempt these questions. The sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west. Yes, you are going to get 5 out of 10 marks. That is how B.Tech exams will be. If you had more observation and more memory, you add one more point. During the morning and during the sunset, the sun looks orange in color. Yes, you'll get 8 out of 10 marks. But in reality, the placement questions will not be like this. How a placement questions will be? Let's understand this. Sun is having helium and hydrogen gases. What happens to sun if you add oxygen? See, this is completely technical. You should understand chemistry better. Then only you can attempt these questions. This complexity, most of the students, they are going to realize that in the third year. That's why many of them, they can't attempt the placement exams, because from the first 2 years, they are thinking that this is what subject is. If you are getting 70-80% in B.Tech exams, don't think that you are in good position and you are having good subject. That is not enough for attempting the placements. That's why placement training is needed from the first year itself onwards. At Wisdomers, we are going to provide placement training from the first semester of the B.Tech itself. So you can study, you can follow our shorts for better understanding of how B.Tech exams will be and how to attempt the B.Tech and get a placement and other government jobs, etc. And you can study complete computer science and computer science related branches at Wisdomers.